Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another episode of Shifted State. Today, we are here at my favorite bike night spot, Tilted Kilt, and I got my buddy Derek back here with his bike. You want to tell us a little bit about your bike real quick?
What's up, guys? It's a 2008 Harley-Davidson Dyna Super Glide.
All right, so with that said, the reason we're here today is Derek here has been crushing the competition on our slow ride competition that we do every night at our bike nights. So we figure a good idea or a good video would be to get us both together, and he's going to show you some tips and tricks on how to be the best.
What's up, guys? We're talking about tips out here today that are going to help you in the next slow roll race out here at Tilted Kilt. First thing you're going to want to do is keep that head up. Don't be looking down at your gauge. Don't be looking at your tire. Look where you want to go. Now that you're looking where you want to go, you want to keep that throttle locked. You don't need to be doing a bunch of twisting, a bunch of revving. You want it locked right there where you want to be. Make sure to cover that rear brake all the time. If you don't have your foot pressing that rear brake, you're doing it wrong. You don't need to be out here trying to balance. Third part of this equation, clutch. Always smooth and steady with the clutch. That's going to be what controls how fast you're actually moving, because again, your throttle's locked and you're covering the brake. You're using that clutch to pull the bike along. Last thing you want to do is have a good time. If you see us out here, we're all smiling, we're all having a good time at bike night. If you're not having fun, what's the point of burning up your clutch plates? Now that we've covered the basics, I'm going to give you a live demonstration of what we do out here right now. Thank y'all for checking it out this time. Those are just a few short tips. It's really that simple. Practice, practice, practice. Throttle, clutch, brake. Have a good time. Once you master those, you're going to be winning every slow race you try to enter. And I'm going to show you now how you end it in style.
Alright guys, so I hope those tips and tricks from our friend Derek here helped you out. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it definitely helped you out some. But with that said, I think you owe me a beer.
Let's do it.
Let's go get a beer. Alright guys, make sure you come out here to our bike nights here at Tilted Kilt right here in Prince George, Virginia. Every other Thursday you can find more information on our Shifted State page. Make sure to check it out, and of course, cheers. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Refreshing.